criticize, criticize. He criticized the proposal for its lack of detail. She criticizes her own work to make improvements. They will criticize the report if it's not accurate. Collaborate, collaborate. They collaborated on the science project last year. She collaborates with other artists frequently. We will collaborate to finish the task. Circulate, circulate. They circulated the news to all the employees. She circulates the report among her colleagues. He will circulate the meeting agenda tomorrow. Coordinate, coordinate. She coordinated the event last weekend. He coordinates with different teams for the project. We will coordinate the conference next month. Compensate, compensate. The company compensated him for his overtime work. She compensates employees fairly for their hard work. They will compensate the victims of the accident. Conserve, conserve. He conserved water by using a rainwater harvesting system. She conserves energy by switching off lights when not needed. We will conserve natural resources for future generations. Convince, convince. He convinced her to take the job offer. She convinces others with logical arguments. I will convince them to support our cause. Contribute, contribute. She contributed to the charity last year. He contributes his time to community service. They will contribute money to the project. Carry, carry. She carried the groceries home. He carries his bag to work daily. They will carry the boxes upstairs tomorrow. Consider, consider. He considered quitting his job. She considers all the options before deciding. We will consider your suggestion next week. Catch, catch. He caught the ball during the game. She catches the bus every morning. They will catch the train to the city.
Can.
She could run fast when she was younger. He can solve complex math problems. They can join us tomorrow if they are free.